Talking about Flathead garage here. It's my uncle's 1990 Ford Ranger, and we're changing the radius arm bushings on it. So he bought some new ones because he heard some clanking. So yeah, that's what we got so far. There's a new one, polyester or something like that. So yeah, here's the old ones. They're pretty worn out. Yeah. Funny part is the truck's so light in the rear end of it. Like if you can see that, guys. He's barely pushed down. The whole front of it goes down. He's gonna clean that up. But yeah, there's this side. We already got it out. He's got his jacks and stuff. Oh yeah, here's the exhaust too. He's got a side pipe with a Flowmaster. Hopefully, there's a bracket, or not a bracket, but an exhaust clamp. We're going to tighten that down. Hopefully, it gets rid of a exhaust leak. In that, I was going to show you guys, this is wheels. They're actually factory Ranger wheels, but they look pretty nice. He got like a center cap out of a Crown Vic rim and put on there. I like that. But yeah, it's a really clean truck. Very clean. You can see the bed and stuff. It had a bed liner in it when he first got it, and it kind of protected the bed. There's his toolbox. It's reliable, 4-cylinder, the 2.3 liter inline 4-cylinder. Old bushing. You can see how much it's wore down. This was his clanking problem. These are polyester. I keep saying it wrong, but that's what. Yeah. And then this one's his old one. It's rubber with a steel insert. But yeah. Got it halfway installed. We got the front half of them done, and then we got to put this cross mirror back in, and then we got to put these other bushings in. So yeah. Well, that's the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Wasn't a very long video, but it's me and my uncle, and he don't like being recorded. So as you can see, got new bushings in there. Here's his exhaust. We're gonna go test it out. But yeah, see you guys in the next one.